Hello everybody! Spring has sprung, and you know what that means? Easter is just around the corner. It's a time for new beginnings, family, and of course, celebrating. And what better way to welcome the season than with some fresh, fun, and festive nail art? Whether you're gathering with loved ones, hiding eggs for the little ones, or simply want to treat yourself to a bit of springtime cheer, your nails are the perfect canvas. We're going on a journey to unlock the most amazing Easter nail ideas that will make your celebration even more special. Get ready to be inspired because we have 25 gorgeous designs that will have you hopping with joy. Let's start with a classic, shall we? Nothing says spring quite like pastels. Want something cute and playful? These bunny accents are absolutely adorable. Embrace the beauty of the season with elegant floral designs. These speckled beauties capture the essence of Easter perfectly, don't you think? These carrot tips are so fun and unexpected, aren't they? Polka dots are always a good idea, especially in these cheerful pastel hues. This design is so creative. It's like a mini Easter egg hunt on your nails. Add a touch of sparkle and glam with these glittery Easter egg designs. These little chicks hatching from their eggs are just too precious. For a more traditional look, these cross designs are simple yet elegant. These jelly bean nails are so bright, fun, and perfect for the occasion. The way these pastel colors blend together is just mesmerizing, isn't it? How adorable are these little Easter baskets filled with goodies? These pastel stripes are so chic and easy to recreate. What do you think? For a more minimalist approach, these bunny silhouettes are perfect. Now this is what I call creative. The eggshell cracks add such a unique touch. You can never go wrong with a classic French manicure, especially with a pastel twist. These detailed Easter bunny faces are true works of art. Nothing says spring like beautiful blooming flowers, don't you agree? Who can resist a chocolate bunny? These nails are making my mouth water. This pastel chevron pattern is so modern and stylish. These stripes remind me of beautifully decorated Easter eggs. Just lovely. These fluffy bunny tails are the epitome of cuteness, wouldn't you say? Add some sparkle to your Easter with this gorgeous pastel glitter. This twist on the classic French manicure is both elegant and festive. There you have it! 25 amazing Easter nail ideas to try this spring. Whether you're drawn to soft pastels, playful bunnies, or elegant florals, there's a design here for everyone. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your creativity bloom. I hope these ideas have inspired you to try something new and express yourself this Easter. And who knows, you might even inspire someone else with your fabulous nails. From my heart to yours, happy Easter!